Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had looked into the Messagebox widget in Tkinter. And in today's session, let's cover more code examples in the Messagebox widget in Tkinter. So, in the previous session, we saw that there are 8 functions in the message box. The first one is show info, second is show warning, third is show error, fourth is ask question, fifth is ask OK cancel, sixth is ask yes or no, seventh is ask yes no cancel, and eighth is ask retry cancel. So let us execute this code and see how it works. So initially I'll have my label called Messagebox demo 1, and then I'm having login successful for the first informational message. So I'm having OK button over here. Then for the warning message, I'm having user has to be admin. For error, it is internal server error. So for these three buttons, these three functions, I'm having only one button, that is the OK button. Now for ask question, I'm having two buttons, that is yes or no. If user clicks on yes, yes will be returned. If user clicks on no, no will be returned. So for ask question, we have two options, that is yes or no. And then I'm having ask OK cancel. There are again two buttons. The one is for OK and the other one for cancel. If I click on OK, true will be returned. If I click on cancel, false will be returned. Then I'm having ask yes no. If I click on yes, true will be returned. No, false will be returned. Then I'm having ask yes no cancel. Three options. If I click on yes, true will be returned. No, false will be returned. Cancel, none would be returned. And lastly, I'm having ask retry cancel. If I click on retry, true will be returned. If I click on cancel, false will be returned. Now let's see how we can capture the return value. So the first one, for the show info, let me give it as result1 equal to. I'm storing the output in result1. For the second message, let me say result2 equal to message box show warning. For the third one, result3 equal to result4 equal to result5 equal to result6 equal to sorry result7 equal to result8 equal to. So for the first one, for show info, I am storing the return value in result1. So now let me say print result1 to see what it prints. Similarly, for show warning, it is stored in result2. So to see what the return value is, let us print result2. Similarly, for result3, I am printing res3. Print result4. Print result5. Print result6. Print result7. Print result8. So now if I run this particular code, let's see what the output would be. So initially let's run it. I'm getting my message box demo 1 main Tkinter screen, and I'm getting show info message. It has got only one button. So if I click on OK, the what value would be returned to result 1. So if I click on OK, I get OK. So it returns OK to result 1, and now when I print result 1, it prints OK. Next, it shows the warning message. If I again print OK, OK will be displayed on the screen. So it is returning OK. Third one is the show error message box. So if I click on OK, again OK will be displayed on the screen console. Fourth one is ask question. It is asking, do you want to quit? Till now we had only one button OK. But for ask question, it is having two buttons, yes or no. So if I click on yes, it returns yes. So all three were OK initially. For ask question, if I click on yes, it will return yes. If I click on no, it will return no. Then the fifth one is ask OK cancel. Deleting will delete all the data. If I click on cancel, it will return false. So it is returning a boolean value which is equal to false. Then it is ask yes no. Are you sure you want to quit? If I click on no, again it will give false, a boolean value false. The seventh one is ask yes no cancel. Yes no cancel. For yes it will return true, for no it will return false, for cancel it will return none. So if I click on cancel, it will return none. Ask retry cancel. So if I click on retry, it will return true. So this is how the return values will be displayed on the console. Based on the return values, we can check some conditions and give some messages or do some functionality. So now let me go to ask question, do you want to quit? So the result is stored in res4. Now I'm checking if res4 equal to yes. If the value is yes, that is if it is yes, I will quit the screen. So let me say if res equal to yes colon win dot destroy. So it will quit from the screen. So this functionality I've added for this return value. Now the fifth one is res5. It is asking deleting will delete all the data, okay or cancel. If res5 print data deleted. So I'm deleting the data, means I'm giving a message that data has been deleted. If user clicks on OK, if user clicks on OK, it will delete the data. Otherwise, else print data not deleted. So cancel means data will not be deleted. So this is for OK cancel. Now next let us have res6. So here I am printing res6. If user clicks on yes, it will be true. If he clicks on no, it will be false. It's a direct one. Next is ask yes, no or cancel. So here let's do some functionality. If res7 equal to true, print you selected yes. Else if res7 equal to none, print you selected cancel. Then I'm giving else print you selected no. So some functionality I'm adding over here. Next is the ask retry cancel. If I say press on retry, it will give yes, true. If I click on cancel, it will give false. So for this, let me say if res8 print retrying to connect to server. Retrying to connect to server, else print cancelling. So friends, here based on the return value, I'm checking for the return value and doing some functionality. So for ask OK cancel, it is asking deleting will delete all the data. It is displaying this particular message. Now if I click on OK, then it will return true. So if res5, if it is true, print data deleted. If res is false, that is I'm clicking on cancel, then it will print data not deleted. Then for res7, I'm asking yes, no, cancel, your choice. So if I click on yes, it will be true. If it is true, then you say you selected yes. If it is none, you selected cancel button, else you selected the no button. Then I'm having ask retry cancel. Here I'm getting the message the server is unreachable. Do you want to retry? So if I click on OK, retry, then true will be passed. So if true, then I'm displaying the message retrying to connect to the server. If the user clicks on cancel, it will be false. Then the else part will get executed and it will print canceling. So now let's look into it and see how it works. So friends, let me execute it once again. First I'm getting login successful. That is a info message. If I click on OK, OK will be displayed. Then warning message is coming. User has to be admin. I'll click on OK. OK is written. Internal server error. OK. OK is written. Now I'm having do you want to quit? So this is res4. If I say yes, then this screen box will be deleted. It will be destroyed. Let's see it how it works. So because I'm giving win.destroy if it is yes. So if I click on yes, this message box got deleted. Now it's going on to res5, that is ask OK cancel. Deleting will delete all the data. If I click on cancel, it should give data not deleted. So I'll give cancel. I get the message data not deleted. Next I'm getting ask yes no. Are you sure you want to quit? I'm telling no. So it will give false. Then it is ask yes no cancel. I'll click on no. If I click on no, then it will say you selected no. Then the ask retry cancel. The server is unreachable. Do you want to retry? So let me give retry. Then I get retrying to connect to the server. Because for retry, I'd given the message retrying to connect to server. If I'd clicked on cancel, then I would have got the message canceling. So based on the return value, we can perform some functionality like destroying the screen or printing messages. So based on the return value, we are checking for the return value and printing details on the console. Or we can perform some other functionality as well. So hope so friends, it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.